Sorry for Gandhi. Solo Bugani and Gum Redulable. One Janana. Pakum di ulo te chok. Saying nang hodi. Tole pute pini nilitumin pen nang litu opan bangso press conference nang johan la bangso along nang chetong dun pot nang litum baputi nupan press media ajir po korte dumhan aprangsi kardom pajir klok kardom po nili thengno alangli KSA General Secretary Sumitimu lapen te akopu RYA Hills Committee President Bimol Timu lasodat penapi pu alangli bangke SYJ Student and Youth for Justice akong chun banglo Ruki Tokbi pu alangli bangke Jensing Timu KSA Lamding Road amei pu lapente Pua bangke AISA Hills Committee achun bang Klengdun Pangcho lapen Pua bangke RYA Hills Committee achun bang Jibo Kumar Pangcho Pua langli bangke Angtong Gabriel Terang alangli bangke Finance Secretary lo dasi pini jase metpet nangli to apang kachupanang kok alam the putat ke nangli tum kadu ida chini daipo patumi head all party lapente all the social organization intellectual lapente kadu howe abarim MP MLA Minister lapente ex-CM EM ex-MSC kadoga we panstame tumi ebortromolong labang so all party meeting ke phapon aputhat delitum CPIML Liberation Hills Party Committee lapente KSA KNC IPOA AISA RYA lapente SYJ Kakis AISA Institute Nirman Sromik kedon asong ahin penstame patumi nilitum hin penstame hadak chetong doniklo lase nilitum view aputha tok dir pen nilitum dak paklang poniklo labangela som henlo press note CPIML Liberation Hills Party Committee KSA KNC IPOA RYA AISA SYJ Kakis AICC Nirman Sromik ADJ and KADA strongly condemn the brutal attack on the democratic protester at Kheroni, West Karbi Anglong, 15 February 2024. We demand the KAK authority to compensate with the relief fund and provide medical treatment to all the injured protesters. On 20 February 2024, the KAK authority called all political party, social, student, youth organization, and intellectual meeting on the burning issues of PGR, VGR land under Kopili and Amreng MSC constituency. The CPIML Liberation SPC, KSA, KNC, IPOA, AISA, RYA, SYJ, KIS, AICCTU and Nirman Shromik and ADJ, and also attended the meeting. Our party, along with fraternal organization, appeal in the meeting not to eat communal color through this incident and to avoid communal hate speech, uploading of sharing communal fabric, condemn in social media and others public demand. The party and our fraternal organization strongly oppose the RSS BJP Sangh Poribar not to bring Manipur model in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. Our party and the fraternal organization extend a full support on Karbi solidarity on PGR-VGR land resolution, which was adopted in yesterday, 20 February 2024 meeting. In the meeting, we have placed our demand of permanent settlement in PGR-VGR land for indigenous tribal Karbi, Dimasa, Garo, Bodo, Tiwa, etc. Also, we have request in the meeting regarding rehabilitation and alternative arrangement to the indigenous, tribal and other communities be provided as per the Honorable Supreme Court judgment. All the communities in the PGR-VGR area appeal to maintain peace, coexistence and harmony living. Lasi dak dilitum kadowe asong ahin pen ladak jasemetpet la patumi alam the putaksi pini nalituma media thengno pini press conference dilitum hin pen pachini glo lapen la so putak jongsi pene karjui dok lote nanglitumar juta melo u ilitum student youth kadowe social organization nilitum pen cerabra pet tum an alang litum